Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do this which Naruto character are you filter thing on TikTok. So if you're looking for the effect here in effect gallery, you will not get the effect here because this effect is from Instagram. So you need to have Instagram, and once you have Instagram, what you have to do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website, go to this page. Here you will see link to the filter, so you have to tap on this link and open it with Instagram. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, this is the filter. So what we'll do here, we'll record a video here in Instagram, we'll save the video to our camera roll, and from there we can use the video in TikTok. So let me record a video. Just press and hold the record button. Let's save it. Okay, now let's go to TikTok. Okay, so this is the upload button here. This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Next, if you want to add some music, you can add it here, and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this Naruto filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.